We are Meister International, a small but growing independent business that specializes in making luxury style watches for a reasonable price. Since we started Meister, it has been our dream to create a mechanical watch. There's something about automatic watches that make us marvel over their design and inner workings. After our visit to the biggest watch show in Basel, Switzerland, we became inspired. Unfortunately, due to the expensive cost of stocking automatic watches, we were never able to produce them in the traditional route. But now, with the rise of Indiegogo, we can sell the watches directly to you and cut out the middleman. Unlike most digital and quartz movements, the mechanical movements work without the use of any battery. Our designs are a reflection of what we're inspired by. Introducing our two different timepieces, the Noble and the Speedster. Both watches are limited edition models and each watch is individually numbered. The Noble's design is based off of our two favorite watches in the collection, the MK3 and the Ambassador. Its polished edges and a clean but bold looking exterior combined with minimal design dial face, displaying the 3D hour markers on a real carbon fiber plate. The Speedster is a larger watch inspired by our love of sports cars. Its exposed movement shows off the mechanical engine that runs the watch. The details on the dial face make you feel like you're looking into the gauges of a race car. We're so confident in our craftsmanship, the watches are backed by a 3-year limited warranty. And we are preparing to have these watches shipped to everyone just in time for the holidays. With your support, together we can make our dreams a reality. Help us by spreading the word on social media, and thanks for watching.